Hey, so here I am inside my Mercedes-Benz E350 Sport. It's a 2010 W212 four-door version, and I've got a headlight bulb out, so I need to investigate sorting out how to replace that the cheapest possible way, and I believe that's probably not going straight to the dealership. Morning, hello. So what's happened? Bulb's gone, headlight, front bulb gone on E350 W212 2010. What a pain in the arse to get to. So down here, in there, is the bulb, right down there, right down in there. So I've pulled it all out already. I went online, I had a look, and well, I found a dealer. Found the Mercedes dealer to start with, and they told me they had them in stock, which is great, so I was going to whiz over and go and get one, because I'd been to a local auto centre and typed my register plate in, and it told me what headlight and bulb I needed. Anyway, when I pulled this out, I realised that it was the wrong one, because their system had told me I needed these. Okay, but apparently my car had an upgrade when it was new, so it needed these, okay, which happened to be Zenon things. Anyway, the dealer wanted £158 sterling for, it's probably $200 for a replacement bulb. That's not fitted, that's just to buy the bulb. Anyway, so I was like, no, don't want that. Don't want that at all. So I went whizzing around the internet, had a quick look. I found Euro Car Parts had it at, you see that, £116. So a bit of a saving. I still thought that is too expensive for what I want. I need to save some more money on that. So I went on to eBay, and I found it on an eBay store for delivery in 2 days for £32.69, and that's delivered. I'm gonna have it in 2 days. I don't need to drive my car. I've got another car, so it doesn't matter if I need to go out at night. Wife's got a car, but so I'm gonna save the 120 quid. I shall fit it myself, like I did my other LED bulb, and so that's it. But whatever you do, shop round, because that is a massive saving and it's your money. So don't go buy bulbs from the dealer. £158, just ridiculous. Anyway, I'll wait for it to be delivered now, and then I'll get it installed. Have a good day. Right, well, yesterday I ordered the bulb. Yesterday on eBay. Didn't pay 185 quid, paid 30 odd. Okay, today it's arrived. That was yesterday afternoon, and today I get home from work and I have a bulb. It came in a box, it's protected. The people, autolamp.com, deserve a mention, because that was like really quick, really good. And here's the old bulb. Here's my old bulb. Don't want to get these muddled up. So, I can't see this, but assuming you can. There we go. Okay. This is the old bulb. It's the new bulb. It looks absolutely identical to me. Almost. Yeah, the numbers on the back are the same.
The only difference I can see, slight difference in the printing. So this one's got a C on it. This one hasn't. This one that came out of the car hasn't got a C on it. The one that I bought online has got a C there, but I mean that's irrelevant. It looks identical. Anyway, so 185 quid Mercedes garage, 34 quid from people online. So I'm going to. It's pitch black out there, but I'm going to go and have a. I'm going to see if I can install it now, which probably isn't a great idea because it is pitch black out there. But I do have a light, so I'm going to give it a go, and hopefully I'll be up and running. So anyway, I shall let you know shortly. Okay, I fitted the bulb. What an absolute pain that was. I couldn't film it because I just couldn't get in there to film it, but because it was in there somewhere. There's a few videos out with it, but it is really fiddly, really fiddly. I mean, you need hands half the size of mine to do that. Okay, let's see if it works. Probably sod's law now that I've blown it and put it in. But hey, no. Oh, there we go. One headlight bulb done. Don't fancy doing the other side because there's a load of stuff in the way of where you'd actually get to get to it, and it looks like you have to take all that off. Hey, there we go. But as I said, you need to shop around to get the bulbs because £185 from the dealer. I'd hate to think what they charge for fitting it because it's a fiddly job. They think it's a minimum 1 hour, isn't it, most Merc dealers? So that's going to be, what, 150 quid? So that would be £320, £330 bulb fitting. So anyway, that's cost me 34 quid and a bit of my own time. So very much worth doing. So hopefully that was really useful, and hopefully it's something you can benefit from yourself. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. If you want to see more of the same or have any questions, drop some comments in below, and maybe you might want to give us a subscribe. If you subscribe, you might want to ring that bell and turn those notification bells on. But thanks for watching, and I hope you found it useful.